The smoke and the smell could be felt for miles. This weekend, a rough one for wildfires in a lot of the state, including several places in the KSAT 12 viewing area. Kinney, Kerr, Medina counties, just to name 3 in the immediate vicinity. The Das Goat Fire in Medina County has been giving firefighters problems since Friday.
And as crews battle those flames, people who live in the danger zone there were called on to evacuate, sometimes more than once. But it looks like firefighters are turning the tide here. Our Stephania Jimenez leads off our team coverage live from Medina County this evening with the latest on the efforts out there. Stephania.
Well, Myra and Steve, yeah, certainly good news to report this evening. The fire so far has burned through more than 1,000 acres. It is 70% contained, but I got to tell you, it looks a lot better out here than it did this weekend, because right now we're on County Road 271. And you know what you don't see out here right now? Smoke. So a huge difference from what we saw this Saturday. The worst day, really day 2 of the fire, where fire crews were really struggling to put out the fire. Now, about 2 hours ago, these crews escorted us closer to where the Das Goat fire first originated. Now, it looks like today has been a lot easier for these firefighters than it was over the weekend, because it's humid right now, which is good, but that really doesn't make it easier for the people who were evacuated on Saturday and haven't been allowed back into their homes since then. The High Mountain Ranch community, which is an area that's made up of 50 homes, has lost 3 homes so far to this fire. And when the people who were forced from their homes return, they say that they're just eager to help their neighbors. Listen to this.
I'm going to check the whole neighborhood. I'm going to see who needs help in there, and I'm going to see if there's anybody that we can actually help out. If they need, we've got these. This is a real tight community. There's only 50 homes in there, and you know, we should be, if anything, this should bring us closer, not be so divided like we have been. So if there's anything that I can do for those people out there that live in there, our door is open. We've got extra space. We'll let them in.
We feel our neighbors, the 2 in front, I think the 3 homes that were lost, 2 of those are in front of us and 1 is behind us. So after we take care of the basics with us, we're going to turn and see what we can do to help our neighbors.